Hey, this is Joakim, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool model here, and basically what this is a mini string light. So you see right here in the package, they do probably got some specs and feature about the product. So they mentioned how it has 100 mini lights, and the length of the product is 25 feet. You do have the option to use it indoor or outdoor, and the product allows you guys to connect it onto 5 different strings if you guys want to. But they do mention how the product has 3 different colors: red, blue, and white or yellow, which is actually pretty cool, especially since July 4th is approaching. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is what it actually looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So first thing inside right here, they probably got 2 replacement bulbs if you guys do need to use it. Inside they also probably got a safety instruction paper as well. And last but not least, we do have the actual product. You can see it's all nicely wrapped up. But if you can see all the different colors on here, like I mentioned, it should be red, blue, and white or yellow. And right here we do have the outlet for you to plug in to activate it. And that is basically everything that's included in the package. First, I'm actually untangle this and set it up to show you guys how to use it. So I untangle it first. And if you guys unplug this part here, that basically gives you guys the option to plug it in to start using the product. So I'm actually untangle this part here first before I should plug it in. Alright, so once you guys untangle it, if you can see, the actual cord is actually really long. And this is only one side of it. The other side we didn't untangle it yet. So if you guys do want to untangle it and decorate it throughout your room or something for July 4 or Christmas or whatever, you definitely do have the option to play around with this how you guys do want to. So for this test, I'm only going to take out one side since both of them are basically the same thing. But now let's plug it in to show you guys how it works and what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys plug it in, here is basically what the product looks like. So whether if you guys want to use it for decoration indoor, outdoor, or anywhere else, you guys can definitely play around with this how you guys want to. But if you guys bring it up close, you can definitely see the color on here actually looks pretty nice. So this one we have the red one, here we have the warm white option, and then here we have the blue one. And obviously when you guys do use the product, it probably look a lot nicer in a darker setting. So I'm going to turn off the light and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so now that we turn off the light, you can see how much cooler it looks. Obviously it looks a lot better and cooler in person when you guys do see it. But even right now, you can see when we do use it, it actually looks pretty cool already. I believe for this product, they actually have this available in all clear design as well. So if you guys don't want like the red, blue, and white color, you can go for the all clear design. But here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do set it up. Very easy and very simple to actually use it. Once you guys plug in cable, it turns on by itself. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to extend it, you do have the option to plug another one on here so that way you can make it longer. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for some high quality mini string lights that's used for decoration. Whether if you guys want to use it for decoration for July 4 or any other holiday, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.